Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery draining fast issue on iOS 17 after update. So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have enable low power mode. So then you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on battery. So then you have turn on low power mode and battery draining fast issue you have facing on iPhone. Second solution, you have find out which app are draining unusual battery. So then you have some any app on your iPhone you have use on, so then his battery running create a problem on your iPhone. So then you have delete your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all settings. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. So then you have iPhone, enter the passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. Then fourth solution, you have update all app, then you have facing this issue, so you have open this app store. So then you have few seconds wait and then you have click on app store icon id. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on update all and then update the all app on your iPhone who is available. Then last solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.